Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you have seen my older videos, you must have seen this nameplate which I created a couple of years ago. And look at the condition now. It desperately needed a makeover, so I decided to give it one. I started off by removing the old material and decided to use the other side of the plate this time. I had this beautiful peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree, so I decided to make good use of it. I only wanted to use it on the semicircle part of the plate, so I carefully stick the wallpaper using a tape to hold it in place and then draw the semicircle to cut it later. And sometimes things don't work out as you want them to. I tore off the wallpaper while removing the tape, so I had to do it all over again. I just flipped the design upside down and reused the same wallpaper. But this time I made sure that I carefully removed the tape without destroying the design. This was the most fun part, sticking the wallpaper on the plate, and it was as easy as I thought it would be. After sticking it, I trimmed off the edges to make everything look seamless. I had this welcome sign again from the Dollar Tree, which I decided to put on the top of the design. I just used hot glue gun to stick it. Even after the welcome sign, it felt like something is missing. So I cut small parts of the same design and stick it on the top of the welcome sign. And this is how the nameplate was now turned into a welcome board. Let me know in the comments how you like this makeover and if you would try something like this. And I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye bye.